Are you tired of clutter taking over your living space? Looking for an effective solution to maximize storage? Well, you've come to the right place, where today we dive into the top 10 best vacuum bags that will revolutionize the way you store your belongings. Join us as we explore the ultimate in convenience and space-saving technology, vacuum storage bags with pump. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 10. Travel Seal Zipper Vacuum Bags. Introducing Travel Seal Zipper Vacuum Bags, the ultimate solution to maximize your storage space. With this revolutionary vacuum storage technology, you can now compress your bulky items up to 80%, saving you valuable closet space. Available in various sizes to fit your needs, from jumbo to roll-up, there's a size for every item in your home. Made from a 5-layer co-extrusion film, these bags are not only BPA-free but also incredibly durable and puncture-resistant. Using them is easy. Simply pack your items, seal the bag with our double zip seal, and stay on clip and vacuum out the air using any household vacuum cleaner. Plus, every set comes with a free travel pump, making it convenient to use even when you're on the go. And don't worry about wasting them. Our bags are designed for reuse, ensuring long-lasting storage solutions. Transform your home today with Travel Seal Zipper Vacuum Bags and experience the difference in storage efficiency. Click the link in the description to order yours now and say goodbye to clutter for good. Number 9. Raugee Vacuum Packaging Bags. Introducing the Raugee Vacuum Packaging Bags, the ultimate solution for keeping your food fresh longer. Whether you're meal prepping for the week ahead or storing seasonal produce, Raugee has you covered with a variety of sizes. 12 by 500 centimeter, 15 by 500 centimeter, 20 by 500 centimeter, 25 by 500 centimeter, and 30 by 500 centimeter. Made from food-grade PE and PA materials, these bags ensure your food stays healthy and fresh. The advanced sealing properties keep air out, preserving your food for up to 30 days without any leaks. Our unique grain pattern design allows for more thorough vacuuming, ensuring every corner is tightly sealed. With an easy tier design, accessing your food is effortless and convenient. And with exceptional toughness, these bags resist tearing, even in challenging conditions. From freezing temperatures of 20 degrees Celsius to high heat up to 100 degrees Celsius, Raugee bags maintain their integrity, safeguarding your food. Discover the difference with Raugee Vacuum Packaging Bags, where freshness meets innovation. Number 8. Fujian Vacuum Bag. Introducing the Fujian Vacuum Bag. Whether you're tidying up your closet, preparing for a trip, or just maximizing storage space, these bags are a game changer. Let's walk through how easy it is to use these bags. First, open the bag and place your quilts or clothing inside. Seal the bag, leaving a third of the mouth open. This step is crucial for efficient air removal. Next, use a vacuum pump or cleaner nozzle to extract air through the opening. This will compress your items and save tons of space. Once you've pumped out the air, slide the seal closed and you're done. It's that simple. What sets the Fujian Vacuum Bag apart? Well, it's designed to be leak-proof and durable. Even if it gets scratched, a simple fix with double-sided tape seals it right up. Plus, its sturdy build ensures long-term use without leaks or tears. Here are a few tips to maximize your bag's performance. Always ensure your clothes and quilts are dry before storing to prevent mold. And remember, avoid sharp objects inside to prevent any accidental punctures. Lastly, maintain the zipper's performance by keeping it clean with a damp cloth. This ensures a tight seal every time. With Fujian Vacuum Bags, you can save space, protect your items, and stay organized effortlessly. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start enjoying a clutter-free life. Number 7. Kingroon Vacuum Bag. Are you frustrated with your 3D prints failing due to moisture in your filaments? Introducing the Kingroon PLA ABS TPU Vacuum Bag, the ultimate solution to keep your 3D printer filaments dry and ready for flawless prints. Imagine never worrying about humidity ruining your prints again. The Kingroon Vacuum Bag is designed with advanced moisture-resistant materials to safeguard your precious filaments. Here's how easy it is to use. Place your filaments inside the bag. The spacious design accommodates multiple spools of various sizes. Seal it tightly using the Easy Lock double zipper. This ensures a secure closure that keeps moisture out. The zipper clip provides an extra layer of security, maintaining the vacuum seal. Now, attach the hand pump to the air valve and remove the air from the bag. With just a few pumps, you'll create a vacuum environment that preserves the integrity of your filament. For optimal sealing, press down on the pumping port after removing the pump. This simple step enhances the bag's seal, ensuring your filaments stay dry until your next print. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Kingroon Vacuum Bag is your partner in achieving high-quality 3D prints every time. Invest in your print quality today. Click the link in the description to get your Kingroon Vacuum Bag and experience the difference. Number 6. Peisi Vacuum Bag and Pump Cover. Introducing the Peisi Vacuum Bag and Pump Cover, your ultimate solution to decluttering and organizing. Made from durable PA and PE materials, these bags are not just storage solutions, they're revolutionizing the way you organize. With its PA and PE material and airtight seal, the Peisi Vacuum Bag protects your clothes from insects, mold, and moisture. Simply use the vacuum pump to remove excess air, compressing your items down to a fraction of their original size. Available in sizes from small to extra large, the Peisi Vacuum Bag is perfect for storing everything from seasonal wardrobes to bedding and blankets. Whether you're organizing your closet or preparing for a move, our bags are the ultimate space-saving solution. With its vacuum design, our bags compress your clothes, saving up to 75% of storage space. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, these bags are not only durable and odor-free, but also reusable and easy to clean. Dust-proof, waterproof, and moisture-proof, keeping your clothes safe and fresh. Perfect for travel, home storage, and keeping seasonal clothes organized year-round. Don't wait to transform your storage space. Click the link below to get your Peisi Vacuum Bag and Pump Cover today and start enjoying a clutter-free life. Number 5. Peisi New Patented Vacuum Bags. Introducing the Peisi New Patented Vacuum Bags, the ultimate solution for your storage needs. These revolutionary bags are designed with a new patented technology that eliminates the need for vacuum pumps and ensures rapid air evacuation in just 3 seconds. With their foldable design and large capacity, they are perfect for storing clothes, blankets, and travel accessories. They're moisture-proof, dust-proof, and insect-proof, keeping your items safe and clean. Experience neat storage spaces with the newly upgraded air valve. Simply pack, seal, and watch as these bags save you up to 80% more space than traditional storage methods. Don't wait any longer to declutter and organize your life. Order your Peisi New Patented Vacuum Bags today. Number 4. Mzxm Vacuum Storage Bag. Introducing the Mzxm Vacuum Storage Bag, your ultimate space-saving solution. With its innovative compression technology, the Mzxm bag reduces the volume of your items by up to 80%. That's right. Say goodbye to bulky closets and hello to spacious living. Available in a variety of sizes to suit your needs, from compact 30 by 40 centimeters to our jumbo 90 by 110 centimeter bag, we've got you covered. It's easy to use. Simply open the zipper, place your items inside, and seal it shut. Then, use any household vacuum cleaner to remove excess air. Watch as your items shrink to a fraction of their original size. Remember to pinch the zipper and keep the pink gasket in place for a secure seal. These bags are reusable too. Just store them properly after each use. Whether you're moving homes, organizing your closet, or preparing for a trip, the Mzxm Vacuum Storage Bag is your go-to solution for maximizing space and keeping your belongings protected. Get your Mzxm Vacuum Storage Bag today and start enjoying a clutter-free life. Number 2. Konco Vacuum Bag. Introducing the Konco Vacuum Bag, your ultimate solution to maximizing storage and organizing your home efficiently. The Konco Vacuum Bag is designed with innovative PT plus PE material and a robust 7-wire thickness, ensuring durability and reliability. Available in multiple sizes from 40 by 50 centimeter to 80 by 110 centimeter, there's a perfect fit for every item in your wardrobe, whether it's bulky comforters or seasonal clothing. Thanks to its unique compression technology, the Konco Vacuum Bag can save you up to 75% of storage space. Just imagine the possibilities. Say goodbye to cluttered spaces. With Konco Vacuum Bags, you can neatly stack and store your items in closets, attics, garages, or basements, making every inch count. Konco Vacuum Bags feature a zip seal and turbo valve to ensure airtight closure, keeping your belongings safe from dust, insects, and moisture. Plus, they come with an easy-to-use hand pump for convenient air removal, making storage a breeze. Don't let limited space hold you back. Transform your home with Konco Vacuum Bags today. Number 1. Eco-friendly vacuum storage bags. Introducing eco-friendly vacuum storage bags, the ultimate solution to your storage woes. These revolutionary bags are designed to compress your items, saving up to 80% more space than traditional storage methods. Let me show you just how simple it is to use. First, open the bag and place your clothes or blankets inside. Seal 2/3 of the bag using the easy slide zipper, leaving 1/3 open for air to escape. As you gently press down, watch as excess air escapes effortlessly. Now, attach any standard vacuum cleaner or our convenient travel hand pump to the air valve. Start the suction and see the bag shrink before your eyes, securely sealing your items in airtight protection. And there you have it, a perfectly organized and space-saving solution for your home. Don't let clutter take over your life. Get your eco-friendly vacuum storage bags today and reclaim your space. Click the link in the description to order yours now and start enjoying a clutter-free lifestyle with eco-friendly vacuum storage bags. And there you have it, the top 10 best vacuum bags that promise to transform your storage solutions. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative storage tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.